Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and today I bring you a review of some gel polishes by ROSALIND. These are available on Amazon. I will have the link down below in the description bar below, and you want to check them out because I do have a discount code that it has an expiration date, so check that out. Of course, being Amazon, you can take advantage if you're a Prime member and have free shipping. So this is a kit of 6 different gel polishes. This is how it comes packaged. You can see the box and you'll know what to expect. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. You can see how they are nicely packaged inside. There's the 6 of them. Let me go ahead and remove them from the box. Well, before I remove them from the box, let me show you here on the lid. Right here you have instructions on how to apply gel polish if you are new to gel polish application. Okay, so here are all 6 bottles out of the box. I will go ahead and mention, I'm going to do swatches of these colors, but before that I want to let you know about the product itself. These bottles, I can tell right now, so these are plastic bottles, and also they are full size, guys. These are 15 ml. Hopefully you can see it right there. 15 ml bottles. That's considered a full-size bottle, and you can see immediately here from the label, so this gives you an idea of the color that you can expect inside, more or less. Let me go ahead and open this up, and like I said, I will do swatches of these. So this is a beautiful dark gray. These colors, they somewhat, I know we're into summer now, but this is the at the bottom side of the hemisphere. They're kind of fall colors. So beautiful gray right there. And this is a cream. Let's go ahead and get this one. So here, there's the color right there on the label. Also a cream base. And this is a nude or a beige. We also have, so this collection consists of 4 cream colors and 2 glitters. So we'll take a look at this. Here's more of a, let's see, this is this is, I don't know, it's like a taupe. Beautiful neutral right there. And then the darkest of the 4 is this one. So you can see from the label, it's a deep burgundy. There it is. Beautiful color. And the 2 glitters I'm excited about, because let me start with this one. So this is a black glitter, or with holographic glitters right there. Gorgeous. Look at that. I can't wait to swatch it. And then last but not least, I put this one on my toes. I will have that photo at the end of the video. It's a holographic chunky silver glitter with a clear base. Check it out. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and start with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here they are up close and in person. I went ahead and finished all of them with a second coat. No top coat. This is, so as you can see, they all finish with their nice natural nice glossy coat There's that gorgeous silver, and like I said, yeah, my toenails look like disco ball, little disco balls with that gorgeous holographic glitter. I hope that this is focused. And here's the black. That one has a black formula, not clear, but it's black formula with the holographic micro glitters. The silver has the chunky glitter, the black has the micro glitter. Here's this beautiful maroon, a deep burgundy, although it might appear a little brighter on camera. This is that beautiful nude. It could also be, it's like a mauve, the dark gray, and this beige beige color right here at the end. So all beautiful 6 colors, very suitable for fall. Yes, as you know, it is, well, is it? Yeah, it's almost beginning of, well, it is, we are in summer already. I am in Florida. But very beautiful neutrals. You can wear these any time of year. They're great. Neutrals are great for in between seasons. And who doesn't like glitter? I can wear glitter all year round. Gorgeous colors. Like I said, these are available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. There is a discount code that you want to take advantage of. It has an expiration date, so go check it out. Please stay tuned for the end of the video so you can enjoy some beautiful photos using these colors. I would like to thank Rosalind for sending me these gorgeous gels to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.